What is the best time frame to trade? This is a question that a lot of people trading Forex have been searching, looking for answers, since the early cavemen. Okay, not so far, but people really want to know what time frame they should be trading. At the end of this video, you'll know exactly what time frame you should be using when trading. There are a ton of time frames available to trade in the market. Not that market. The Forex market. There are time frames ranging from the 1-minute time frame all the way up to the yearly time frame. With all the time frames, it could be confusing on which one to trade. And knowing which time frame to trade might just be the key to unlocking your success as a Forex trader. Have you been in a situation where you look on the 15 minutes time frame and you see it's in an uptrend, then you look on the hourly and it's in a downtrend, but the 4 hours time frame says that the market is in a consolidation? That's where the confusion kicks in for most of us, but there is a solution. Well, to skip all the long talks, let's go straight to the point on what the best time frame to trade is. There really isn't a quote-unquote best time frame. All time frames have their roles to play and their individual qualities. It all depends on the individual trader. What I mean is, it depends on your strategy and your trading style. Some are swing traders, some day traders, and others scalpers. And the time frame you use depends on whichever one you are. If you're a swing trader, then you'll need to be dealing on the hourly to the daily or weekly or even the monthly so you can see the big picture of things. Why? Because as a swing trader, you're going to be holding trades for days, if not weeks. For day traders, you only need from the 15 minutes to the hourly and rarely the 4 hours time frame. Mainly because you're going to be dealing, opening and closing trades the same day. So you don't really need to see the overall big picture. For scalpers, they deal from the 1 minute to the 15 minutes max. Because they are opening and closing trades within a short amount of time. It won't make sense for them to trade on time frames like the 4 hour or even worse, the yearly. There you have it. The conclusion is that you don't have to trade on all time frames. Just pick 2 and trade them diligently. That should get rid of all the confusion and keep you focused. I hope you got that information, and if this video was helpful, then please like the video and hit that subscribe button. Till next time.